Forever Aloe Vera Gel. The gel only contains aloe vera, citric acid and vitamin C. It's stabilised without chemical preservatives using an aseptic pH adjusted method, and the leaves are filleted and preserved within 6 hours of being cut. It is flash heated and pH balanced, but this increases the bioavailability of some of the carbohydrates like asamannin, the immunomodulator, but also other nutrients such as vitamins like vitamin C. These together aid digestion and support the gastrointestinal health, as well as the immune system and epithelial tissues. We recommend 120 ml of aloe vera is taken every day. The gel contains 99.7% aloe and no sugar. It will have a small calorie content due to its carbohydrates, as found naturally in plants, at 2.5. It also has 84% of your daily requirement of vitamin C, and vitamin C is essential for the maintenance of healthy skin, cartilage, blood vessels, bone, gums and teeth. It is fully traceable from the plantations right through to the cartons. It has a 2-year shelf life and it lasts 30 days when refrigerated. It has International Aloe Science Council certificate. It is also suitable for vegetarians and vegans, halal and kosher.